everyone, and welcome back to a special summer episode of Cooking Corner with me, Giuseppe CrimiVaroli. The weather outside is beautiful, so I thought I'd take you outside to the grill today to make some raspberry chicken. In terms of ingredients, you're only going to need 3 things. What you're going to need are some boneless, skinless chicken breasts, some Dijon mustard, and some raspberry jam. Now, in terms of hardware, you're going to need the following. You're going to need some tongs, and you better make sure they work. Oh yeah, they work. You're going to need a regular spoon and a measuring spoon. You're going to need a bowl and a measuring cup. You're going to need cooking spray and a little brush to brush your chicken. You're going to need a large knife and a cutting board. And most importantly, you need a functioning grill. Step number 1, as always, is going to be wash your hands. A great way to get clean and keep cool is to fill your water gun with soap and water. Then just pump it up and squirt. And once you feel it nice and clean, you can just dry your hands off. Moving right along to step number 2, and step number 2 is going to be trim and cut your chicken. So what you're going to do is trim all the fat off your chicken and then press down on it and cut it into 3 individual pieces. Now, for this particular recipe, you're only going to need 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, cut individually into 3 slices. Now that your chicken's all cut, we can move on to step number 3. And step number 3 is going to be light your grill and make your glaze. So, what you can do, go ahead, turn your grill on. Not all grills are the same. But our grill here, turn it on, some gas going. Woo! Now that it's on, we're just going to let it heat up on high while we make our glaze. Now it's time to make our glaze. What you're going to need is 1/2 cup of raspberry jelly and, is it jelly or jam? 1/2 cup of raspberry jam and 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Now that your glaze is made and your grill is hot, it's time to move on to step number 4. And step number 4 is going to be cook your chicken. Now, to start with, what you're going to do is grab your cooking spray and just spray the grill where you're going to put the chicken. Just like that. Now you can take your chicken breasts and put them on the grill. Once your chicken breasts are on the grill, you're going to take your glaze and spread it over the top with this brush, like so. careful not to burn your hand. You want to have enough jam to go over both sides of the chicken. Once you've got the glaze on your chicken and the edges start to get a little bit lighter, what you can do is flip your chicken to the other side and put the glaze on there. Now it won't take long before your chicken is ready to come off the grill. So when it is, just get your tongs and put it onto a new clean plate. Now that your chicken is all done, it's time for the final step, which is going to be plating. Go ahead, grab your tongs, select your piece of chicken, put it on your plate, and you're ready to enjoy. It serves well with rice and peas or broccoli. Now it's time for a taste test. That was delicious! That concludes this week's episode of Cooking Corner with me, Giuseppe CrimiVaroli. If you like this video, leave a like below. If there's something you want to see on the channel, leave it in the comments and I'll try to make it for you. If you like videos like this, subscribe to my channel. I'm always putting out new content. Have a happy summer and bye-bye now.